Hi guys, today I want to show you this white noise machine. You're gonna get in the box BC charger. Also in the back of the machine there is a jack that you can use for a headset. Once the battery is full, it can last up to 10 hours. The first thing I notice is how compact and modern it looks. It doesn't take up much space on the nightstand, desk, or even in your travel bag. Even though it's small, it has dual speakers, so the sound full and clear. It has 42 different sounds. From the fan sounds, there are 6 different ones. I'll show them to you in a minute. Then from the baby sounds, there are about 15. White sounds, 5. And also there are 16 different sounds. There are 8 different level on volume up, and you can set up when do you want the machine to be off if you need that. So the auto off timer, there is a option for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour. It's very easy to control the machine. Everything is right on the top, so you can quickly switch between sounds, adjust the volume, or set up the sleep time. One thing is that the machine also remember your last setting, so the next time when you turn on the machine, you don't have to set up everything again. So I will turn it on right now. You can adjust the volume from here. As I said, there are 8 different levels of volume. So these are the baby songs. There are about 15 songs, different songs. Now I will play the white noise sounds. These are good sounds if you can use them in your office, if you wanna be more focused, or if you need just simple music on the background while you are working. There are 5 different white noise sounds. Here you can change the fan sounds. From here there are 6 different fan sounds. And from this button here you can change 16 melodies sounds. This thing, you can use those also in the office. You can use them when you just want to calm or when you wanna fall asleep. And from here you can set up the auto off timer. Again, it's 15. It can be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, and 60. Another great feature is the built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep plugging it into the wall all the time. You can use it in your bedroom, office, or you can take it with you when you travel. A full charge gives you plenty of playtime without worrying about replacing a battery. If you work in an office or shared space, this can also help mask background conversation, giving you a little more privacy and make it easier to stay focused. I think this is a great little sound machine if you're looking for better sleep, improved focus while working, or just a simple way to create a calmer environment wherever you are. I think it's a great option to consider.